This last video is going to cover a couple of features of Windows 10 that were not covered in the other videos because they don't really have anything to do with the Start menu. The first thing I'm going to show you is Microsoft's answer to Google Now or Siri. It's their intelligent digital assistant named Cortana. If you play Halo on the Xbox, you will be familiar with that as a character on the game. So they've added her here, and she is the white search box to the right of the Start menu. So if you click there, you'll open up, and she'll give you some ideas of things to look for, some ideas where you left off. Can open up apps, documents, web. So kind of like with Windows 7, if you wanted to search for a specific app or something, you could search for it here. So I'm going to just start typing in Microsoft Word. And here's the app, and I can open up Microsoft Word from there. So I can search any of my programs, any of my apps, anything like that. But maybe I am looking for something else. So maybe I'm looking for station ideas for kindergarten. And I hit enter, and it's going to open up a Bing search using Microsoft's new web browser called Edge. Notice it kind of looks like the E with Internet Explorer, but they stopped supporting Internet Explorer several years ago, and Edge is their new web browser. So if I wanted to search for something on the internet, I could search for it there. Maybe I need help with a math problem, so I need to know what 100 plus 34 is. She knows that I'm looking for a calculator. She'll go ahead and add it up here. Maybe it was something that I needed other web results, so I could click there, and it's going to take me out to a calculator on the web. Almost anything that you needed to search, things you search Siri for, just general web searches that you do, can all be done from this little white box in the lower left-hand corner. Now, she does also respond to voice. If you have a microphone on your computer, you can ask her, what is the weather in Nacogdoches? So she's going to pop up and she's going to tell me what the weather is. So you can't hear her, I don't believe, but she's actually talking to me now, but I can look at what the weather is. So she's just kind of a little digital assistant there. Can you still open up a web browser and search for something? Yes, this is just a quick and easy way to look for things. Another feature that I have found helpful is what's called Task View right here. And so if I click on it, it will show me the things that are open on my desktop. So kind of like with our iPads or our phones, we can see apps and things we can have open. I can easily switch between things here on this task pane. I can also scroll and it'll show me things that I've searched for today, things that I've looked at on different days, those kinds of things. What makes this unique, though, is at the top, you'll notice I have desktop 1 and I have desktop 2. Now, a lot of times when I do these videos or when you're presenting to students, you have your Chrome open with all of your tabs open. You have your mail open, and you may have other stuff open that you don't want students to see. So you can actually add a desktop by clicking here on New Desktop, and it will open up a new, clean, fresh desktop. So once I do that, I can see what's open on my desktops, and I can close them if I don't want to use them. And as I close them, I won't lose what's on that desktop. It just pushes to my desktop 1. So like my Word document that I had open, and my Bing search that I had open, you'll notice that those just went to my original desktop and that they're there. So 2 other little quick, easy tools with Windows 10 that are new that you may find helpful. If you have any other questions, contact your digital learning specialist.